Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Loaded with features. Features also include cloth seats, rear view camera. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2019 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, remote engine start, 4-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps, tire pressure monitor, tires, front all season. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, security system, cruise control, child safety locks, power steering, split bench seat, adjustable steering wheel. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.